Looking for the right vehicle? Today could be your lucky day. This vehicle is equipped with great options, and it could be yours. Contact the dealer today, request more information, and set up a test drive right away. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, remote engine start, power lift gate. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.